To apply to UA Early College, begin on our website, uaearlycollege.ua.edu. Scroll down to the tile in the center of the page that displays Apply Now. Click on the Apply Now image to go to the application page. On the application webpage, you will see the 2 steps required to apply to UA Early College. Before clicking on the application link to step number 1, note of step number 2, which involves your high school counselor submitting your official transcript to us using one of the options provided. When you are ready to apply, click on the Complete the Online Application link in step number 1. If this is your first time to apply to UA Early College, click the Create Account option under First Time User heading. When creating an account, you will be prompted to enter an email address, first name, last name, and birth date. Once you've entered your information, click Continue. You will be emailed a temporary PIN that will be required for you to log in to the application for the first time. Once logged in, you can then change your password. If you've previously created an account or applied to UA Early College, click the Login option under Returning User heading. You will be prompted to enter your email and password that you created to log into your application account. Once you've entered the appropriate information, click Login. Please note you can utilize the Forget Your Password link if you can't remember your password. However, it will require you to enter your email address and birth date to reset the password. If you feel that your email address or birth date may have been entered incorrectly, please reach out to our office for assistance. After logging in, you will click on the 2024 Early College application to begin a new application. If you have previously started an application, you can click on the 2024 Early College application showing as in progress to continue the application. You will be prompted to click Open Application after clicking on the appropriate application you need to complete. Once logged into your application, you will be brought to the application welcome screen, which features a short description of our program, instructions for completing the application, and contact information for our office should you have any issues completing this application. You can use the link tabs on the left side of the screen to navigate through each section of the application. Please note that while there is not a Save button on each tab, as you click the Continue button on each section or click on another tab of the application, the information will automatically save. Once you've completed each section of the application, you will type your name on the Signature tab to confirm honest and accurate completion of the information requested. Click Continue on the Signature page and you will be taken to the Review section. This section will show you any required questions that have not been completed in the application and will not allow the application to be submitted until those questions are complete. You can click on the hyperlink section titles to be taken directly to the section where questions responses are not complete. Once all errors on the review section are complete, click Save for later if you are not yet ready to submit your application, or click Finalize Application and Pay if you are ready to submit your application. Please note that if you indicate on the application that you qualify for a fee waiver, you will bypass the payment screen and go straight to the submission confirmation page. If you do not qualify for a fee waiver, you will be taken to the payment screen once you submit your application to provide payment for the $40 non-refundable application fee. If you'd like to check your application status after submitting the application, log back into your account by going back to our website, uaearlycollege.ua.edu, and click on the Apply Now button again. After logging in using your email address and password, you will be able to click on your submitted application and you will see your application status portal. From your application status portal, you can submit payment or documents as needed to complete your application. Please note your official high school transcript must be submitted to us by your high school counselor. You can also change your password, email address, or mailing address if needed. Thank you for applying to UA Early College and considering our program to help you achieve your academic goals. We look forward to receiving your application and hope to have you as a legend in the making in our program very soon.